So to take some more from M.K. Davis's website, the davisreport.wordpress.com. This is from 2016. At the time, maybe a month or two before I started actually looking into Bigfoot for myself, only to find out 6 months later I actually have an encounter. Anyways, believe it or not, I imagine most people won't. It says here, men hunting Sasquatch at Bluff Creek, California, circa 1967, with apparent success. But he also says before that, in his YouTube channel that no one knows about, from 3 years earlier, he didn't think that it actually even happened, and at least he hinted on it. He didn't think it was happened in 1967. That it happened. It was published in 1967. So this happened much earlier. Anyways, you pay attention for the dog, this vicious dog. That's blood that M.K. Davis feels, and that is the carcass or the skin of one of the Sasquatches that they took out. With that gun that he's handling, that big massive gun. And let's watch it, shall we? So, if you can, might not be able to. Let's try this again. He stabilized it. You see right there, this is probably blood. I just think there's a lot more blood going on there too. This felt like a dog was walking in blood. And this is part of the... they must look like graves or... It's almost like it's like made some graves for him or dug things out. Maybe they plan on burying it afterwards. But he feels that's blood and guts of some of the Sasquatch that they took out. I know. I think there's a lot more blood going on than that. But what do I know? I have a hard time believing that's just a bunch of algae, red algae boom. But then again, it's not like the best of recordings. And I don't think it was, I also agree with him. Just because it was published in 1967 doesn't mean that's when it actually happened. I'm sure they held on to it. The government's involved, Hollywood, the powers that be, the logging industry, how they're going to handle this. And I think they try to make it, they really water down the situation. They want people to see the image of PAtti, but they didn't all see the rest of it. And I doubt it very much that PAtti survived that day. There ain't no way in a million years with those guns, they're walking around with those guns with that dog, that they're going to let her run around. I'm sorry, they were going there for some benevolent, honest mission, a great, zoological, anthropological investigation. They were hunting them down, get rid of them. Pretty confident in that one.